regardless of how great and efficient the HVAC equipment is, it's not going to do its job if the installation package is not right. Um, so the idea was to put as much exterior continuous rigid insulation on the outside of the shell, not only on the walls but also on the roof. Um, so we did. There's 3 inches of mineral wool insulation laying on top of the roof deck, um, and it's all continuous. It's all connected. The insulation goes up the wall and meets the insulation that continues on the roof. I couldn't really do more on the roof. I wanted to, but there were some limits to what I could fasten with 6 or 8 inch structural screws. So what we did, we also utilized spray foam, closed cell spray foam between the rafters. We did 2 inch nominal closed cell spray foam to prevent any moisture accumulation on the underside of the roof deck and destruction of the sheeting. So so that's that, and the rest of the cavity will be filled with blown-in cellulose. My number one choice was mineral wool insulation, blown-in mineral wool, but it's unfortunately unavailable. And if it was, it would be probably 4 times more expensive than um, blown-in cellulose. So when all said and done, the installation package will provide us with at least R60 on the roof, uh, over R40 on the walls, and that's really what you want when you have triple glazed windows that are about R8.